Hey guys! I just finished an incredible stay at the Atour X Hotel Xi'an Bell Tower Metro Station in China, and I have so much to share. Before you hit book, make sure to check the link or scan the QR code in my description for the best rates. Prime city location. You are right in the thick of it, with the famous bell tower only 570 meters away. It is incredibly easy to walk to the Drum Tower and the Muslim Quarter, putting all the best street food right at your doorstep. Modern room comfort. Since this property was built in 2023, the rooms feel incredibly fresh and contemporary. I loved the soundproof design, which kept the city bustle outside while I relaxed in the air-conditioned comfort. Buffet breakfast. The morning buffet is a highlight, offering a lovely variety of Asian cuisine to start your day. They even offer a breakfast takeaway service if you're heading out early to explore the city walls. Wellness and fitness. If you like staying active, their state-of-the-art fitness center is a huge plus and is actually open 24 hours a day. You can also find a yoga room to unwind after a long day of sightseeing. Smooth arrivals. The check-in process is seamless with 24-hour front desk support and even contactless options. It's super efficient, which is exactly what you need after a long trip from the airport. Family-friendly value. For those traveling with kids, this is a hidden gem because children aged 1 to 12 stay for free. They provide thoughtful touches like kids' cutlery and even specialized shampoo to make life easier for parents. Overall, this hotel is a perfect modern base for both foodies and history buffs looking to explore Xi'an. It is especially great for families and fitness enthusiasts. Don't forget to use the link in the description to secure your stay.